Chizzy, welcome to my YouTube channel. By the end of this video, you're going to learn how to create your YouTube channel in 2020 and how to manage them, to scale it and get that growth that you ever wanted. Watch this video to the end. You're going to learn a lot of things. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. And make sure you subscribe to this, press the red button and subscribe to this channel. And after that, make sure you on the notification bell, because that bell is going to connect you and help you to know whenever I post a new video to come back and watch. Keep watching. You're going to learn a lot of things. Let's go. Welcome back, and let's jump into the video right now. Creating a channel or creating a YouTube channel in 2020 is not just all about posting up a video. There's so many things that are essential things that you have to know before getting to that extent. The first thing that you have to know is that before making or creating a channel, you must have a Gmail account, and that Gmail account is going to connect you to your YouTube account. And after that, the next thing that you have to do is that you're going to upload a profile. That your profile is like your thumbnail. People are seeing to recognize you are the owner of the channel. Then after that, just the profile, let me talk about it. It's just a picture. Make it to be visible, beautiful. You have to have a channel banner or channel art, all right? You still have to create that one. I'll still make a video on how to make a channel art or a banner for your channel. I'm gonna make a video on that, so make sure you follow up after this video. The next video will be on that video. So when you create it down, then you start and go to the major part, and which is creating and uploading your video. So let's create. You must ask yourself, what am I going to create? And that is your objective when setting up a YouTube channel. You must have an objective. What do you want my channel to talk about? Is it going to be a fashion channel? Is it going to be a tutorial? Is it going to be a cooking? Is it going to be of health? Is it going to be a music or entertainment or comedy? All those things are niche, and you must stick to it and be consistent, because your consistency is what is going to retain your viewers on your channel. So as a basic or as a starter on YouTube, you should bear in mind that your consistency and your objectives on your channel. Viewers have to know about you or about your channel and what we are expecting, and then let us know about let me say, when you're doing your posting, how many days are you doing? These are your consistency. I'm posting 2 times every week. I'm posting 3 times every week. And stick to it and make sure you fulfill your promise. Don't exaggerate the whole thing. Just start from small, and you think you're progressing, you can expand and do more days for yourself. So that is it, because your consistency and doing those things that you love to do is what that will keep you going on YouTube. And you're going to talk about your brand. Making sure that your brand, that is your channel, has your name as your brand. Or you create a searchable, a name that is not so long and exaggerated to be your channel name. All right, so make sure that your brand is your own name, because if you explore tomorrow, let it people talk about you as a person, not just any other thing. So that is why I prefer your channel name, and I think it's a very important thing that your channel name should be your name. Creating a channel in YouTube, there's a lot of things that involve, like making your video, making a beautiful video and thumbnails. These are the major things that are important. These are the things that YouTube are watching out before recommending, or even people, real viewers, see and be attracted to your content. So you should bear in mind that making or putting up a video, you must have a thumbnail that represents what you're talking about or what your video is all about, and your title. The next thing that you have to bear in mind, then after that, you go to your YT, your YouTube studio. That is where you're going to see everything, every information about your channel, how your analytics, the rate, the performance of every other video, and the wellness or healthiness of your channel. So you go to your YT section, you can upload it on your phone, or you go to your desktop section and click on it to know everything about your channel. And make sure you go in there to checking out how your content are doing and how you're doing, and how good or how bad you're doing. Okay, you must go there even to have your watch hours as a basic starter. Check out the content you're gonna make. make your editing skills, all right? And make sure you're doing those things that attract the viewers to stick to you. So you must be audible in doing things that you know you love to do, and those things that you know that also entertain your viewers. You cannot know how and when or how you're entertaining your viewers if you don't start putting up videos and start rating how many views and comments that are leaving for you. Those things are your encouragement to tell you, look at, they want this or they want that, they love this or they love that, and you stick to those ones that you think that are working out for you, and know to get you to the next level. How to be successful as a starter on YouTube. One thing I say is always make it economical, all right? You can use your phone to film or do whatever you want to do on YouTube. Use your phone, just make it economical, don't exaggerate. All those big tubers or creators you're seeing started small, just like us, before they got there. So when you start making your money, you can now reinvest and make things better. Get yourself a better phone that is visible, that is very nice, the color is nice, and use it to start off as a user. You can just start with your phone just like I did, and you start growing and you start exchanging and buying more gadgets that will help you for whatever purpose your channel represents. And download or go for those apps that are free to help you grow, so that you don't start spending on the initial stage. You can go. Another thing I'll talk about is uploads. The section of upload is true. The YT will always tell us to upload every day for us to get our watch hour and all those things. But if you're doing every day and it's not working out for you and people are not watching, stop stressing yourself doing it. Just stick to those ones that you can do. You can just start small, like you can start from 3 times or 2 times or 4. You can always upload as much as you want, but make sure that people are watching. If you're posting more and you notice that people are not watching, I will advise you to set out your goals when posting or working on your video on your YouTube. You must have a goal, and don't exaggerate on that goal. Stick to it and make sure you achieve it before inventing or starting off a new goal. That is very important. Don't exaggerate or try to copy or be what others or what you're not. You will fed up on the long run, because this is a very long journey. You must be yourself for you to get to where you're going to. Work on your keywords and tags to make sure they appear on the YT search engine, okay? The CEO is very, very important. Make sure they are searchable. This is the only way you can always fall in and grant more views to your content. So make sure you make a content that is having a title that is searchable on the search engine. It's very, very important. Don't just make a content and push it out there and it's hidden, because when the content is searchable, this is when you know the YT also pushes everybody's content for recommendation. Every video you're making, once it is searchable, is out there on the YT and people are watching it. It's being recommended for people to watch. But the problem is, are people watching your recommended video? Are people not watching? You will not get that much views. But when people are watching it, that is when they push you more, and you get to that place where everyone say you blown up. So this is it. If you stick to those rules, it's going to work out for you. Make sure you stick in there and doing the right thing. You're going to get where you're going to, okay? So watch out for the next video on how to make those banners and those beautiful thumbnails for your content that will make your viewers, to be attracted to come back and be watching your content. Don't push out any video out there without keeping or putting a thumbnail on it. It will not work. Make sure you have a thumbnail. If you're a cooking channel, make sure whatever you cook, you represent it on your thumbnail. It's very, very important. Make sure your channel is having a banner or a channel art. Is very, very important, because even if you're going to be monetized without a banner, no one is going to monetize it. You must have a channel banner for you to be professional. So the next video, make sure you check it out. I'm going to teach you how to make your channel banner and your thumbnails from your channel. Then if you're watching this video now to this extent, and I know that you must be convinced that this place is right for you, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you put the bell on. This is how you know when I put up a new content and you come back and watch it. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you stick around and wait for the next video. I'm going to teach you how to create your channel ads and thumbnails from your channel. watching. You're gonna learn a lot of things. See you on the next video on how to create those popping channel art and thumbnails for your channel. Bye, and see you next time.